how's it going, guys? Hope you're good, hope you're staying safe, hope you're staying indoors. You know the drill. Right, let's just get into it. £1,200 in 2 minutes. Actually, first of all, I'm gonna tell you how you can save £1,200 in 2 minutes. Not make it, save it. Okay, so don't get confused. Don't start messaging me saying I owe you a load of money. That's not how it works, all right? Right, so if I was to give you £1,200 right now, what would you do with it? Redecorate your house, kit out your wardrobe, go on a nice family holiday, sort out the Christmas presents. There's quite a lot you can do with £1,200, right? Now this method I'm about to tell you is based on our house and the money we spend on food every month all year round. Now when I say food, I mean junk food, takeaways, crisps, chocolates, sweets, biscuits, you know, the good stuff. Right, enough's enough. Let's get 2 minutes on the clock. Okay, so I've worked out that we spend on average around £25 a week extra, whether that be a takeaway once a week, again, snacks, chocolates, crisps, all that sort of shit. Okay, so for the purpose of the video, I'm gonna average this out and call it as one takeaway a week, adding up to that £25. Okay, so £25 a week. £25 a week, guys. That's £100 a month. 12 months, that's £1,200. See where I'm going with this? Okay, so my first thought would be, okay, no takeaways or junk food for a whole year. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. Right, so you need your fix, yeah? I get it, I need it too. So what if I said, instead of no takeaways for an entire year, how about you can have one takeaway a month? You know, instead of one average every week. So it's date night once a month, you get that takeaway or you spend 25 quid on junk food. All right, so it's already starting to sound better. You're still getting that one takeaway a month opposed to 4 a month, right? That's doable, right? I mean, I can do that. Okay, so at this stage, we're down £25 a month. Remember guys, not only are you already healthier because you're not eating as much junk food, but you've saved £75 a month. That's £900 a year. That's still a lot of money. Right, so where are we gonna get that extra £25 a month from? Right, so I don't know about you, but I have a lot of stuff lying around the house, things that I just don't need. I tend to do the whole, if I haven't used it or worn it in the last 3 months, then I don't need it method. So things like clothes, kids' toys, in my case, camera accessories, stuff like that. So what do? You sell it. You sell it to your friends, you put it on eBay, you do the whole Facebook marketplace. It's not hard to find £25 a month just from stuff around your house that you don't need. You know the old saying, one man's trash is another man's treasure. Cheese! So let's just think about this real quick. You're eating less junk food, therefore a lot healthier. You still get that fix every month, which you can look forward to. You get rid of some junk around the house. And you get £1,200 extra every single year. 2 minutes, done it. Now remember at the beginning that list of things that you want? Now, again, imagine me giving you £1,200 right now. I'm taking all best, say less. You guys loving the old clickbait title there. I bet most of you saw that and thought, oh my God, I'm gonna make £1,200 in 2 minutes, what? Guaranteed people are watching this like, yeah, I'll make the £1,200 and then I'll just spend it all on takeaways. So a little tip here guys, start it around November. So this time next November, you're sort of ready for Christmas and then that's all sorted. Anyway guys, that's it. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Hit that bell so you get a notification when I do the next video. And until the next one, yeah, I'll see you then.